Hello students, welcome to science class. As you know, your exams are very near. In previous two videos, I gave you recap of 4 lessons which will come in PT2 exam. Lesson number 9, 11, 12 and 13. And I hope you all has collected practice worksheet which we sent in a group. So let's revise practice worksheet once. Question number 1 is choose the correct answer. In the cactus plant, food is prepared by which of the following? And the options are, here 4 options are given. You have to choose one correct option. So in the cactus plant, food is prepared by which of the following? And the options are stem, leaf, root, and both A and B. So first option, first of all that it is a cactus plant, and in cactus plant leaves are not there. It means leaves are modified into thorns or spines, we can say. And you know that in plant leaves prepare food for the plant. So if leaves are not there in plant, who will prepare food for the plant? So as I told you, in cactus plant, stem of the cactus plant is green in color, and you know that pulpy, fleshy is there. So in cactus plant, food is prepared by the stem. So your correct option is stem. Question number 2. Which of the following has strong hooves? Here again 4 options are given, and the options are lion, deer, mountain leopard and mountain goat. So here your correct option is mountain goat. So mountain goat is the animal which has strong hooves. Question number 3. Image formed by a pinhole camera is. Again 4 options are given. Options are inverted, erect, laterally inverted and black and white. So as you know that image formed by a pinhole camera is always inverted. So your correct answer is inverted. Now question 4. Shadow of a red object will be. Shadow of a red object will be, and the options are red, white, yellow and black. And you know that shadow is a dark patch formed on a screen, or you can say on a ground. So shadow is always black in color, whether your thing is red, white, yellow or any color, but always shadow is black in color only. So your correct answer is black. Which of these appliances in your home is not run by electricity? Again look carefully to the question. Which of these appliances in your home is not run by electricity? Not run by electricity. So your options are geyser, gas burner, air conditioner and music system. You know that geysers also run by electricity, that all nowadays you all using only. Second, gas burner, it means that gas stove, on gas stove which your mother cook food. Third is air conditioner, always run by electricity. And music system, without electricity music system also will not run. So your correct option is gas burner. It means gas burner in your home is not run by electricity. Now question number 6 is a material that allows the electricity to pass through it is. Now again I am telling, see, 2 types of materials I told you. One is the material that allows electricity to pass through it, and one is the material that do not allow the electricity to pass through it. Here your options are conductor, insulator, transistor and none of this. So here material that allows electricity to pass through it is, that is conductor. So your correct answer is conductor. 7. What is used in a torch? in torch, what we use? Options are dry cell, secondary cell, generator and fuse. You know that inner view of torch. What is there? See here in torch generally we use dry cell. So your correct answer is dry cell. 8. In an electric bulb, light is produced due to the glowing of. In electric bulb, light is produced due to the glowing of. Options are the thin filament, the thick wire supporting the filament and gas inside glass case of the bulb. So here your correct answer is the thin filament. Why? Because if filament is broken, your bulb will not glow. So in an electric bulb, light is produced due to the glowing of the thin filament. Question number 9. The number of poles that a magnet has. You know the poles of the magnet. It means that end of the magnet is generally known as that poles of the magnet. And the options are 1, 2, 3 and many. So end of the magnet always 2. So we can say the number of poles that a magnet has 2. Your correct answer is 2. Now 10. What should compass needle be made of? Compass, why we use compass? To show direction only. To find direction we can say. And here your options are brass, iron, aluminium and silver. So your correct answer is iron. What should compass needle be made of? That is iron. Now question number 2 is write true or false for the following. Number 1. Non-living things do not move. You know that whether this statement is true or false. Non-living things do not move. See, living things always move from one place to another and non-living things do not move. That is very correct. We only move that non-living things here and there. Itself non-living things cannot move from one place to another. So this statement is true. Non-living things do not move. That is true. Second, cactus is mostly found in desert. Cactus plant. It means thorny plant we can say, or spines are there in cactus. So cactus is mostly found in desert. That is also true. Number 3, similar poles of a magnet repel each other. Similar poles means north and north, south and south. So always similar pole repel each other and opposite poles attract each other. That is true only, no? So similar poles of magnet repel each other. That is true. Now question number 4. Objects that emit or give out their own light are called luminous object. Again here two types of objects, luminous object and non-luminous object. Luminous object which that emit or give out their own light, and non-luminous object which do not emit or give out their own light. So object that emit or give out their own light are called luminous object. That is also correct. It means true. Number 5. Moon is a luminous object. Again, moon is not a luminous object. Moon is a non-luminous object. It shines because of that sunlight reflect on it. So moon is a luminous object. That is false. Number 6. Earthworm breathe through their stomata. That is also false. Earthworm breathe through their skin. So this sentence also a false. 7. Electric current can flow through metals. See, metals are conductors of electricity. And what are the conductors of electricity which allow electric current to pass through it? That is conductors. So electric current can flow through metals. That is correct. It means true sentence. Now number 8. The south pole of a magnet will repel the north pole of another magnet. South pole and north pole both are opposite poles. So you know that opposite poles are attract each other. And here given the south pole of a magnet will repel the north pole of a magnet. That is false statement. Now question number 3, fill in the blanks. Number 1, a device that is used to break an electric circuit is called dash. See, when electric circuit is complete, then only your bulb is glow or your electric appliance will work. And when electric circuit is incomplete, then it means that your bulb will not glow or your device will not work. So for on or off, which device we use? So device that is used to break an electric circuit, it means it is called switch. Generally we use to break an electric circuit. Generally we use switch to break an electric circuit. So your answer is switch. An electric cell has dash terminals. You know that in electric circuit two terminals are there, positive terminals and negative terminals. So an electric cell has two terminals. Number 3, the habitat of plants and animals that live in water are called dash habitat. So what the habitat of plants and animals, and they live in water. They live in water, it means that aquatic habitat. Then number 4, the paper is not a dash material. You know, paper will not attracted by a magnet. So we can say paper is not a magnetic material. Then number 5, we cannot see a dash object in the dark. See, we can see object which give their own light or emit their own light in a dark, but here we cannot see a dash object in the dark. We cannot see a non-luminous object in the dark. Now 6, soil, water and air are the dash factors of habitat. Now you know that soil, water and air, all three are non-living thing. So soil, water and air are the abiotic factors of the habitat. Light travels in a dash line. Now light travels in a straight line. That is very important sentence, as I told you. Now question number 8, a magnet always has dash poles. Again I told you about magnet. Magnet has two poles, south pole and north pole. So magnet always has two poles. Number 9, the presence of specific features which enable a plant or animal to live in a particular habitat is called adaptation. Your answer is adaptation. Now 10, changes in our surroundings that make us respond to them are called stimuli. Changes in our surroundings that make us respond to them are called stimuli. After that, question number 4, name the following. First one, name the substance that has the property of attracting magnetic substance such as iron, cobalt and nickel. You know that one substance is there that has the property of attracting some substances like iron, cobalt and nickel, and this is magnet. So your answer is magnet. Now question number 2, name the land habitat in which plants and animals live. Now land habitat, now plants and animals which live on land, they are called terrestrial habitat. Number 3, name the type of object which do not allow light to pass through them. Again, as I told you that two types of objects are there. One is object which do not allow light to pass through them, and one is the allow light to pass through them. So here you have to write the object which do not allow light to pass through them, and your answer is insulator. Number 4, name two plants found on mountain. On mountain you find pines and deodar. Number 5, name a living source of light. A living source of light, that is very well known, that firefly and jugnu, maybe you had seen. Now question number 6, what is called the sheep of desert? That is very common question. What is called the sheep of desert? And your answer is camel. Now question number 7. Name a magnet which is used in an electric bell. Now which type of magnet we use in electric bell? So it's U-shaped magnet. Your answer is U-shaped. Now number 8. Name two electrical devices. Two electrical devices, it means which run with electric current. So we name two electrical devices are fan and bulb. So students, here half practice worksheet we had completed. Now some another questions are there in practice worksheet. Hopefully I will explain in another video. We'll meet you soon.